99 editions. So we make the case, we hope you agree with us, that brewing is an art. And if you're gonna do art, you gotta go off in crazy directions, you've gotta follow themes and chase new directions, and every now and then you gotta come back to your basic skills. And part of that is looking at things you learned along the way and things that started you down the path. For us, that kind of, probably the most direct inspiration on everything we do with our hoppy beers is Sam Calagione and his slow additions of hops through a whole process. He says he figured it out when watching a chef talk about adding pepper over a dish the whole way through. And at Carton, we kind of took that inspiration and we kind of treat it as herbs. So we have our cooking of herbs and our sprinkling of herbs and our dashing of herbs and our young herbs versus old herbs. And we add the whole way through, and we wanted to kind of go back to basics, pay attention to where we came from, and readdress that skill. So 99 Editions is a pretty straightforward, classic East Coast, clean, clear, enough malt to offset some bitterness beer. We added, sticking to one of Sam's style jokes, 9.9 kilos over a 99-minute boil to 99 barrels. Then we added 9 more kinds of hops. We used some cryo hops, we used some pellet hops, we used some flower hops, and we sprinkled them the whole way through the way we do. And we made a kind of tribute to where we came from and a step back to look at how we do what we do. And we hope you like it. Give it a try and tell me what you think.